Yes. Yeah, maybe you talk now. We are taking this one.
Are you sure you get enough likes?
Yes.
Good afternoon.
Okay, what's up? 5 big names from the States. What's the feeling like?
I feel great. I feel very, very proud as an Edo man and as the governor of Edo State. Where you come to an event like this and out of 47 people who have been elevated to the rank of Major General, 5 are from your state. That is 10% of those who have been elevated. So we give God the glory, and this is a testimony or testament to hard work. I'm sure you cannot say any of them got this promotion because of some special favors from any godfather. They all got promoted through a sheer dint of hard work. And this is what we've been saying to our young ones in Edo State. Once you work hard, once you focus on developing yourselves, the sky is the limit. Edo has always provided and produced the core of the manpower, human capacity for Nigeria, and we continue to do so by focusing on education for the new generation of Edo people. Education is a priority, and because you'll agree with me that without that requisite education and discipline, we will not be celebrating these 5 generals today. Thank you.
What are the takeaways from Edo State? From the experiences of these officers, what are the things that you expect?
I think for us, it just is a further encouragement that we are on the right path. That something produced, some policies, some attitudes produced the generals you have today. Somebody cared for them. Somebody made sure they went to school and they had quality education. And we've today ensured that in Edo State we do not lose that tradition. We want to make sure that our young ones, the new generation of Edo people, have very high quality education, which will make them go places, in their world.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.